I wear orange because I care about what I say and how that affects other people.
I wear orange because people are more than their race/ethnicity and gender identity.
I wear orange because I want others to be treated how I want to be treated.
October is National Bullying Prevention Month.
And on Wednesday, October 23rd,
Lynchburg City Schools wants you to wear orange.
I wear orange because no one should ever be bullied.
I wear orange because I care how my actions affect others.
I wear orange because each of us deserves to pursue our own way of happiness.
communities all across the country will wear orange.
To send one large message
of support,
hope,
and unity.
Bullying is not acceptable, and all students deserve to be safe in school.
Wear orange.
On October 23rd.
Wear orange is part of Unity Day.